Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am with a very popular recipe of watermelon mojito. Very easy and very refreshing. Trust me, you will enjoy it. Watch till end. To make this, I just only need 3 main ingredients: lemon, mint and watermelon. I just blend them. I need to cut all the lemon in a round shape. As I told you, it's a very easy recipe. So you can serve as you like. I will piece the mint with my hand because by this way you will get most of the flavor of mint. So now I am serving. I am just showing as a demo. You can serve as you like. But trust me, it's very refreshing. In this summer hot day, you can just make it and enjoy with your family. So, keep watching. I am adding extra chopped watermelon. If you like, you can add or otherwise skip it. But with this, it will become more tasty. And a little bit of pink salt. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Your subscription is really meant to us. Like and comment obviously. Thanks for watching. See you soon with a new recipe in a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.